Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's begin to solve this tricky math problem. 10 minus 10 equals 0 and 10 minus 10 equals 0. 0 multiplied by 0 equals 0. But this is not correct answer because according to the order of operations, first, we have to work inside the parentheses and then exponents, after that multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Here, multiplication comes before the subtraction, that's why we have to work first multiplication, and 10 multiplied by 10 equals 100, and we have to copy the rest part of the problem. 10 minus 100 minus 10. And first we have to work this. 10 minus 100 equals negative 90 minus 10. And negative 90 minus 10 equals negative 100. This is our final and correct answer. We can copy this answer here. Answer for this problem is negative 100. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.